Document wiring connections thoroughly before removing capacitors or other key parts to prevent miswiring during reassembly. Start by taking multiple clear photographs from different angles that show the full wiring layout and the connection points close up. Use consistent, simple labels on wires and terminals with a permanent marker or numbered tags, so each wire has a unique identifier you can match to the photos. Write a short checklist that names each component and the labeled wires attached to it, and keep that checklist with the photos so you have both visual and textual references. If a connection is complex, sketch a quick diagram showing wire colors, labels, and terminal shapes, and note any non-standard orientations or mechanical retention features like clips or screws. When possible, record a brief voice memo describing the order of disconnection and any torque settings or washer placement so you capture details that photos may miss. Store all documentation together in a resealable bag or folder next to the removed parts so everything stays paired and accessible at reassembly. Common mistakes include relying on memory instead of documentation, which causes misplaced wires and erratic operation. Prevent this by forcing yourself to photograph and label before moving any conductor. Another issue is taking only a single photo that misses hidden connections or the backside of a terminal block. Avoid this by circling the part and capturing multiple perspectives, plus a close-up of each terminal. A third problem is losing or disorganizing small parts and their recordings. Keep screws, washers, and labels grouped with the corresponding photo and checklist in a single container so nothing gets separated. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare feedback so they can choose someone comfortable handling electrical work or complex component swaps. We also help contractors find local jobs and participate in our discussion community where members share photos, step-by-step tips, and reassembly advice.